Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods, here to take you through today's trading action. Markets finished Thursday lower, adding to Wednesday's losses. The Nasdaq fell more than 0.5%, while the other indices all shed at least 0.3%. Most sectors closed lower. Energy, communications, and tech all declined at least 0.75%. Consumer staples was once again a bright spot, rallying 1%. Investors weighed the Trump administration's new 25% tariffs on imported cars. Vehicles protected by the U.S. Mexico-Canada agreement will only see tariffs on imported car parts. U.S. EV makers, which don't have as much foreign supply chain exposure like Tesla and Rivian, ended the day higher. Rivian gained 7.6%. Ford, meanwhile, fell 4%, and GM sunk 7%. Turning to AI stocks, Jefferies downgraded AMD to hold from buy, citing limited traction and mounting competition from Intel as headwinds. The firm adds that Nvidia's H200 range performs better than AMD's MI300X and believes AMD has considerable ground to cover before its products can compete. AMD's stock has fallen 40% over the last year. Now, speaking of Nvidia, the chipmaker faces its own headwinds. Reuters reported that Chinese tech company H3C warned of Nvidia's H200 chip shortages in the country. It's the most advanced processor legally available to China under U.S. export controls. Nvidia closed 2% lower today and is now down 11% this month. And Lululemon is selling off after hours despite an earnings beat in the company's fourth quarter. The reason behind the move, a miss on its first quarter guidance. Revenue is expected to come in between $2.34 and $2.36 billion, below Wall Street's estimates of $2.39 billion. Full-year outlook also disappointed. Company CFO says Lululemon will stay agile as we navigate macro uncertainties. No big earnings on tomorrow's calendar, but we'll get the Fed's preferred inflation gauge with the PCE price index due out. We'll also get another read on the consumer with the latest sentiment report. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.